Hey, what's going on, Elite Owners? Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the Hey Mercedes function in a 2020 GLC300. First, you're going to hit your home button. Once you hit your home button, it's going to take you to the menu section. From here, we're going to swipe to the right on our thumb touch. Now, as you're swiping to the right, we're looking for settings. Once you see settings, you're going to push your thumb touch button in. Once inside settings, we're going to scroll up and over until we highlight under blue with system. You see the blue under system? That lets us know we highlighted. I can also touch the screen thanks to the MBUX system. But once we go into system, we're going to scroll down to Languatronic. And once inside, you can see voice activation, Hey Mercedes. Just go and click the button in to turn it on. And that's how you turn on voice activation, Hey Mercedes in a 2020 GLC.